Hi guys, my name is Tanya Snook and I'm going to be your government professor for this semester. I'm so excited that you are in my online class, and I wanted to just give you guys an overview of how our course works. What you're seeing is my screen right now, and I'm in the class. When you look across your toolbar, you'll see announcements, content, discussions, assessments. Those are the things we're going to be working with the most. So when we click on announcements, you're going to come to our announcement screen, and you'll be able to see the most recent announcement here, when it started, and then you can scroll down and see old announcements as well. This first announcement is our welcome announcement. It's going to tell you exactly where things can be located, how to contact me, things of that nature. But where we're really going to put a lot of the focus on this semester is in our content. So when you click on the content button, your screen is going to look a lot like mine, but probably prettier because I have, of course, a instructor view and you don't. But over on the table of contents, we have an overview, we have bookmarks, and we have a table of contents. And you're going to see a course information, a Unit 0 course introduction, start here. Our Unit 1 philosophical underpinnings of the Constitution, our executive branch. Unit 3 is our legislative branch. Unit 4 is our judicial branch, and Unit 5 is the one I'm most excited about, and it's the one I think is the most important, and that's how we have responsibilities as a good citizen and how we can participate in our government, which is great. So let's go ahead and go over to course information super quick. What you're going to see here is kind of just a infographic. It shows all 5 modules in it, and then we're going to find the government online IP. That's your syllabus. We've gotten a little bit fancy with our terminology, and so we have an online IP. An IP is an instructor plan, but that's that old word for syllabus. You'll see some instructor information, the grading criteria, our course schedule. Again, remember that is tentative and it can be changed at any time with just announcements and any kind of notification on Brightspace. And then any resources that you might need, some external links, things of that nature that you can find. We're going to start in Unit 0, which is our course introduction. Every module will have this at the end where it says Module Tasks, and it's like a task checklist, which is really cool because when you check on it, you're going to be able to see everything you need to make sure that you've completed the task. And that way, you can say, oh, I read my syllabus, so yes, I did that. I watched the introduction video, you're watching that now. The syllabus scavenger hunt, our introductions, and that's a great way. We need to build a sense of community, and online classes are really hard for that. And I want to get to know you. I want your classmates to get to know you because I do a lot of projects. And so being in an online environment, you guys need to know who you are, strengths and weaknesses, things of that nature, so that we're not quite so distanced from each other. We have a brand new textbook and instructional resources for this semester through McGraw-Hill. And so I've given you some, it's called Connect Introduction videos, and that's going to show you how to use the system. There's some great online resources, and it's new to me too, so we'll be learning together. And then you have the Smart Book 2.0 orientation video. With the book you bought, you have online access as well. I really like the online access. You can annotate it, you can do some things. And I like that you can, when you're working in the assignments that are on the Connect assignments, that you can go back and reference your text, and it's going to help you with that. So once you've completed all of these, you'll check them off, and then you'll be able to go to the next module. We also will have discussion tabs. This is where that introduction discussion can be, and you can find it there, but you can also go here and get to it as well. So in the task list you'll see it, in the module you'll see it, and here you'll see it. So you have 3 different ways to get to those assignments. So you'll click on that. It will tell you our topic. We are not going to hit reply here. We actually go into the thread. Don't start a new thread. We want to make sure we reply. And you'll see mine first, and then you'll hit reply to me. But I want to make sure you tell us some things about yourself. So these are the bare minimum you have to do to get the grade. You have to tell me your name, any interests and hobbies, because I know you do things other than school. So I'd like to know what kinds of things you're interested in. Any extracurricular activities or work, if you're in a sport, if you work outside of school, please let me know so I can make sure that we can honor your time commitments as well. Your future plans, are you wanting to transfer to somewhere other than MCC? Are you wanting to continue at MCC? Are you wanting to major in something? What are you wanting to major in? What's your dream job? Those are all kind of cool things. My dream job was to be a forensic pathologist, and I'm teaching government, so there you go. And then tell me a fun fact about you that makes you unique, or something that nobody else knows that you want to share with the group. And so that way we can get to know each other. all discussions, you will have to reply to at least 2 classmates. And when you reply to 2 classmates, that's not a one sentence, like, yeah, I agree with that, or yep, you're right, or that's stupid. Those aren't appropriate replies to a discussion. You should always have a minimum of a few sentences, and when we're doing, on the introduction, a couple sentences is fine, but when we're doing the different units, when we're talking about the branches of government and things like that, you need to have at least a paragraph. And I want to remind you, some of you think a paragraph is 2 to 3 sentences. That is not correct. A paragraph, a well-written academia paragraph, has 5 sentences at the very bare minimum. You need to really think about what you're writing, and we're writing as scholars now. We're not writing as text messages or anything of that nature. I am really excited to get to know you guys. I'm excited to work with you. I am pretty flexible, so please let me know before you get in trouble so I can help you and keep you on track. I look forward to a great semester, and we'll see you guys later.